very warm welcome to all of you. I am Shamakaran Pandey from class 4th.
And I am Hiral Mitra from class 4th.
On behalf of the Palace School, it is our honor and privilege to welcome you all to the annual day celebration of our school. I take this opportunity to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest for the day, Srimati Diya Kumari ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. We are delighted to have you here to witness the joy, enthusiasm, and immense talent of our youngest learners. I also extend a warm welcome to all the Board of Governors and all the dignitaries present here this morning.
Today is a special day as it marks a beautiful celebration of innocence, creativity, and achievements. Our students from class 2nd to class 4th have worked very hard, along with the teachers, to bring to you this delightful program. So, without further ado, let us begin this joyous journey. To begin our day, we invoke the blessings of the Almighty. Let us start with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. I kindly request our principal, Miss Urvashi Vorman, to escort our honorable chief guest, Srimati Diya Kumari ji, Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, to do the honors. Thank you for illuminating this occasion with your presence and blessings. May this light guide our young learners toward a bright future. May I now invite Miss Urvashi Borman, Madam Principal, on the stage for the welcome note.
Namaskar, respected Diya Kumari ji, esteemed members of the Board of Governors, parents, and all distinguished guests. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. It gives me immense joy to have you here to celebrate our annual function, Wellness Wonderland. This year, we have chosen the theme of mental health and wellness, a subject that holds a lot of importance in today's world. Through this program, we aim to foster awareness about emotions, resilience, and empathy in our students, as well as amongst all the adults present here. Our chief guest for the day is none other than the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan and our much loved and respected founder of the Palace School, Srimati Diya Kumari ji. Can we give a huge round of applause? Srimati Diya Kumari ji is a seasoned Indian politician hailing from the state of Rajasthan, currently serving as the Deputy Chief Minister. She oversees several key portfolios in the Rajasthan state government, including finance, tourism, art and culture, public works, child rights, and women and child development. She represents the Vidyadhar Nagar constituency in Jaipur, which she won by the highest margin in the December 2023 Rajasthan Legislative Assembly elections. Ms. Diya Kumari was first elected to the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly in 2013, representing the Savai Madhopur constituency, and then served as a member of Indian Parliament, Lok Sabha, for the Rajsamand constituency from 2019 until 2024, when she took up her current post. Throughout her tenure, she has focused on promoting inclusive development, particularly in underdeveloped rural areas, focusing on youth, women, and the underprivileged. During the span of a public service career, she has served as a member of various committees, including the Inter-Parliamentary Union Standing Committee of United Nations Affairs, the Standing Committee on Railways, the National Tiger Conservation Authority, the Consultative Committee for the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, and was also the Save the Girl Child Ambassador. Prior to joining public service, Ms. Diya Kumari was engaged in many philanthropic and charitable initiatives. She has been a committed patron of the artistic and cultural heritage of Rajasthan, serving as an active member of several charitable trusts. She has also been closely involved with various educational institutions, charities, and NGOs working in many fields, with a strong focus on supporting women's and girls' education, training, economic empowerment, and maternal and childhood health and well-being. Service of the people is the aim of all her endeavors in public life, inspired by the ideology of Antyodaya, serving the poorest of the poor. We extend a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. You have always been an inspiration for all of us. Your dynamic vision, creativity, and commitment to innovation motivate us to explore meaningful themes each year. Your belief in holistic education drives us to nurture the minds and hearts of our children in the highest and the best possible manner. Thank you for being our mentor and guide always. Dear parents, tomorrow, 30th January, marks our Founders' Day. The school was founded by Madam Diya Kumari ji in 2001, and we are proud of our journey thus far. I thank all the dear parents for being an important part of our journey. Now, on behalf of the entire Palace School family, I request Priyanka ma'am to please let Advitya present flowers to our dear founder as a token of love and gratitude from all the staff and students of our Thank you, Advitya, for doing us the honors. Well, we are now ready to move on to a cultural show, which begins with a very special presentation. It gives me great pleasure to tell you that the whole program is being presented by 7 to 9-year-old children. And for most of them, it is their first public performance on the stage. So let's cheer them loudly as they come on the stage. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's now time to kick off the much-awaited performances of our annual day celebration. Let the show begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar and welcome once again to our Wellness Wonderland. This program is based on the theme of mental health and wellness. We commence today's program with a never-seen-before live dance concert by our talented primary school students. You will see our students playing live instrumental music, doing live singing, and live dancing. It's going to be one hell of a concert for you. This special performance is dedicated to our esteemed founder, the chief guest for the day, Srimati Diya Kumari ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan.
As tomorrow, 30th January, marks our school's Founders' Day, we take this moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved founder for creating a school that is truly a happy place for all of us. Now, get ready to witness our young singers, dancers, and musicians light up the stage with a song of freedom, energy, and joy. Let's hear it for them as they rock the stage with the incredible performance. Here's Una Paloma Blanca for you. गणेश वंदना। इस प्रस्तुति की विशेषता है कि इसके माध्यम से न सिर्फ हम गणेश जी की स्तुति करेंगे, अपितु भारत के विभिन्न प्रांतों के शास्त्रीय और लोक नृत्यों का रूप भी देखेंगे। फ्रॉम द ग्रेसफुल भरतनाट्यम ऑफ तमिलनाडु, मोहिनीअट्टम एंड कथकली ऑफ केरला, कुचिपुड़ी फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना, ओडिसी फ्रॉम ओडिशा, एंड फाइनली to the vibrant northeast with Manipuri from Manipur and Satriya from Assam. This performance is a celebration of India's rich cultural diversity. वंदन गणपति महाराज को, जो शुभता और बुद्धि के प्रतीक हैं, और वंदना माँ भारती को, जो हमारी संस्कृति और कर्तव्य का आधार है। आइए इस गणेश वंदना के माध्यम से हम दोनों को नमन करें और इस दिव्य प्रस्तुति का आनंद लें।
महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
गणानाम गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोहे भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश तालदय धुरपत गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे।
भगत से कोई शरणागत आवे संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे।
भाव भगत से कोई शरणागत आवे संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे।
ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे गोसावी नंदन निश दिन गुण गावे। निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Every celebration is incomplete without the words of wisdom and encouragement from our guiding light. And now invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Diya Kumari Ji, Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, to address the August gathering.
Namaskar. It gives me great pleasure to be here amongst my family because Palace School is very close to my heart. Palace School तो मेरा परिवार ही है. बस ये है कि Palace School के पेरेंट्स, बच्चों, हमारी बहुत ही मेहनती प्रिंसिपल उर्वशी जी, हमारी बोर्ड मेंबर अमादत्त जी, जनक सिंह जी एडीएम, कुलदीप सिंह जी बोर्ड मेंबर और सभी टीचर्स, स्टाफ, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स, यही है कि आप लोगों के बीच आने का अवसर बहुत कम मिलता है. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर अमंगस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच. I cannot thank you enough for having, chosen this day to, of course, celebrate your, I would say what, Founders Day? Founders Day. So, thank you. मैं इतना धन्यवाद आपको करना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोगों के बीच आने का अवसर नहीं मिलता, आज मिला है. So, it's really nice to be here amongst all of you. वैसे तो परफॉर्मेंसेज इतनी सुंदर थी क्योंकि अभी सब छोटे बच्चे थे और मुझे याद है जब मैं बहुत एक्टिव थी, हर एनुअल फंक्शन के समय कोई भी फंक्शन होता था तब मैं खुद देखती थी हमारी प्रिंसिपल साहिबा के साथ कि हम लोग एक बच्चे को स्टेज पे लाएं क्योंकि एक बच्चों के अंदर स्टेज फ्राइट होती है और इनमें बहुत कुछ कई ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो हिडन टैलेंट भी होता है. स्टेज पे आने का एकदम से दिखता है कि ये लोग तो परफॉर्मर्स बन सकते हैं, आगे आने वाले समय में ये एक्टर्स बन सकते हैं, ये आर्टिस्ट बन सकते हैं, बहुत इनमें टैलेंट है, चाहे डांस में हो, म्यूज़िक में हो, किसी भी चीज़ में हो, तो वो भी सामने आता है. तो हम लोग बहुत ये प्रयास करते थे कि हर बच्चे को स्टेज पे लाया जाए और मैं आज बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगी उर्वशी जी का, उनकी टीम का, कि आज आपने हर बच्चे को यहाँ पर परफॉर्म करने का अवसर दिया है. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू पेरेंट्स मस्ट बी फीलिंग सो प्राउड. सो इट्स सो वंडरफुल टू बी हियर. इट्स सो वंडरफुल टू सी नाउ द चिल्ड्रन परफॉर्म ऑन द स्टेज. और हम लोग बहुत कोशिश करते थे उस समय, मैं एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व होती थी हमारे एनुअल फंक्शन में कि कौन सा परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे, पहले क्या होगा, बाद में क्या होगा, रिहर्सल्स. अब बहुत कुछ ये सब नहीं हो पाता, पर आप लोगों के बीच आके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. आज जो थीम है हमारे इस कार्यक्रम की वो है मेंटल हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस. ये मेंटल हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस मुझे लगता है बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक है. आज पेरेंट्स को भी यहाँ पर आप लोग भी आए हैं, टीचर्स भी हैं और हमारे बहुत ही प्यारे बच्चे भी हैं. मुझे लगता है कि एक ये ऐसा टॉपिक है जो अगर हम लोग बचपन में ही इसको एड्रेस करेंगे, इसको पहचानेंगे और इसके बारे में कुछ करेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है आने वाले समय में जब ये बच्चे बड़े होंगे और बहुत सारे स्ट्रेसेस इनके सामने आएंगे निश्चित रूप से वो तो आना ही है. एग्ज़ाम्स का प्रेशर बढ़ेगा, जैसे जैसे ये लोग एडवांस क्लासेस में जाएंगे वहाँ पर प्रेशर बढ़ेगा. कॉलेज के समय या कोई भी कोचिंग क्लासेस वगैरह जब ये अगर लेंगे तो उस समय भी होगा. लेकिन इस एज से अगर हम इस टॉपिक को एड्रेस करेंगे समय पर और इसको हम ये भी जानेंगे कि हमको घर पे क्या करना है, बच्चों को क्या काउंसलिंग देनी है, कैसे बात करना है, स्कूल में क्या करना है, ये भी हम लोग अभी से पहचानेंगे तो मुझे लगता है इट विल गो अ वेरी लॉन्ग वे. क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी अगर कोई समस्या है यूथ में, स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स में आज के समय में, तो वो ये है कि ये लोग बहुत स्ट्रेस में आ जाते हैं, प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं और बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्वक ऐसी घटनाएं होती हैं जिसको अगर हमको पहले जानकारी होती ना तो हम उसको प्रिवेंट कर सकते थे. तो ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक को आपने छुआ है आज, इसको एड्रेस किया है. तो मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी पैलेस स्कूल की टीम का कि आज आपने इतना अच्छा टॉपिक चुना है. सभी पेरेंट्स को कहना चाहूँगी कि बच्चों के मेंटल हेल्थ पे भी फोकस करें, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा ये जो एक रेस हो गई है कि हमको बस बच्चों को परफॉर्म करना है, मार्क्स अच्छे आने चाहिए, आगे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना है, आगे किसी आपको कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में बच्चों को चाहते हैं आपके वो लोग उसमें जाएं. तो पर ये सब बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अगर बच्चों से बात करेंगे ना, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है जो आप जब बच्चों से बात करेंगे तो हर बार वो ऐसी बात करेंगे जो आपको पसंद हो. बहुत बार ऐसी बात भी करेंगे जो आपको ना पसंद हो, नहीं पसंद होगी. बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें निकलेंगी उनसे जो मुझे लगता है शायद आपको लगेगा अरे ये क्या बोल रहा है, शॉक्ड हो जाएंगे आप. But it is important. I think as a parent myself, I have realized to let them talk. You have to be a friend to your child. It's very, very important. And seriously, what is failure and what is success end of the day? It is not important. It is not everything. It is very important to encourage your child. उसको encourage कीजिए, उसको उत्साह उसका बढ़ाएं. लेकिन कभी उसको ये भी सोचिए आप कि कई बार हम लोग ही हमारे बच्चे को पुट डाउन भी करते हैं. जब वो अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करता तो उसको कंपेयर करते हैं किसी और बच्चे से या किसी और अपने ही फैमिली में किसी से. वो हमको नहीं करना चाहिए. मैं कोई एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं बस एक एज ए पेरेंट आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये चीज़ें हर पेरेंट के साथ होती हैं और हमको सबको कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी इन सब चीज़ों का सामना करना पड़ता है. तो अभी से अगर हम लोग अपने आप को भी तैयार रखें, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स आई थिंक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. टीचर्स तो चलो पढ़ाई में बहुत समय चला जाता है, पढ़ाते रहते हैं बच्चों को, तो उनको समय नहीं मिलता बच्चों से बात करने का. लेकिन पेरेंट्स को समय निकालना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आजकल के पेरेंट्स इतने बिजी हैं कि मुझे पता नहीं बच्चे ज़्यादा बिजी हैं पढ़ाई में या पेरेंट्स ज़्यादा बिजी हैं काम में और चीज़ों में. तो पेरेंट्स को भी समय निकालना है. पेरेंट्स अगर समय नहीं दे सकते तो कोई भी फैमिली मेम्बर ऐसा हो जिससे बच्चा बात कर सके. स्पेशली नाना नानी, दादा दादी, एल्डर पीपल इन द फैमिली, इट इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप बात कर सके. इवन एल्डर सिबलिंग्स, आई थिंक उनको भी समझाना ज़रूरी है कि जो अपना छोटा भाई है, छोटी बहन है, उसके साथ कैसे करना चाहिए, कैसे बात करना चाहिए. अगर वो भी दोस्त होंगे ना तो उससे भी बहुत फ़र्क पड़ेगा. तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने खुद ने एक्सपीरियंस की हैं और आप लोगों से शेयर करना मैंने सोचा अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, आपसे मैं ये सब कुछ शेयर कर सकूं. वैसे तो पैलेस स्कूल को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई दूंगी कि आप लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. हमारे जो स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन हैं उनके साथ भी मैजिक पाई में आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा काम किया. इसको भी आगे बढ़ाने का हम लोग प्रयास करें कि क्या हम लोग एक अलग से इंस्टीट्यूशन कर सकते हैं तैयार, जहाँ पर सिर्फ हमारे जो स्पेशल बच्चे हैं वो हों, उनको पढ़ाने के लिए आगे बढ़ाने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. मुझे लगता है एज ए सोसाइटी हम सबको काम करना ज़रूरी है. बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ के बारे में भी हम लोग बात करते हैं. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. अपने जो गर्ल चिल्ड्रन हैं उनको भी आप उतना ही अपॉर्चुनिटी दें. उनको भी जैसे हमारे बॉयज़ को हम अच्छे स्कूल्स में डालते हैं, कॉलेज में डालते हैं, उनके लिए आगे का भविष्य हम पहले से ही प्लान करते हैं, वैसे ही हमारी बेटियों के लिए भी हम पहले से प्लान करें. उनके भविष्य के लिए, पढ़ाई के लिए, उनके करियर के लिए अगर हम पहले से ही सोचें और उसकी भी प्लानिंग करें, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. मुझे लगता है अब तो सब कुछ इक्वल है. गर्ल्स आर नो लेस देन बॉयज़, दे आर द सेम. Equal, I think, is more important than anybody more or less. I think we need to very much focus on that. Rest, I think आप लोग सब बहुत आजकल के पेरेंट्स भी बहुत जानकार हैं, आप लोग पढ़ते भी बहुत कुछ हैं. I think today's parent is much more aware than what parents of yesteryears were. सो आई थिंक बहुत ज़रूरी है हम सब मिलकर हमारे बच्चों को, क्योंकि भविष्य तो देश का, हमारे प्रदेश का तो हमारे बच्चे ही हैं, और अगर हम उनको अच्छी शिक्षा देंगे, अच्छे संस्कार देंगे, उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स को टाइम स्पेंड करना ही पड़ेगा. वो मैं समझती हूँ की है. अगर बच्चों के साथ आप टाइम स्पेंड करोगे ना तो बच्चा ना तो इधर उधर जाएगा, ना उसको कोई गलत अगर ऐसे क्या है, पीयर प्रेशर बहुत बड़ी एक समस्या है. क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स कुछ चीज़ें कर रहे हैं तो उन बच्चों पे प्रेशर होता है कि मुझे भी वही चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, चाहे वो सही चीज़ हो चाहे वो गलत हो. लेकिन अगर आप उन बच्चों से आपके बच्चों से बात करेंगे, टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा और आप एडवाइस देंगे. कई बार बच्चे नहीं समझते और उस एडवाइस को सीरियसली नहीं लेते, लेकिन आगे पीछे ना वो बच्चे उस चीज़ को सोचते भी हैं कि नहीं ये बात तो सही थी. इट कम्स इन देयर हेड. यू से इट इन अ नाइस वे, नॉट इन अ प्रीची वे. You know, we should not always be talking at our children. We should be talking to our children. That is very important. बात उनसे करनी चाहिए जैसे एज अ फ्रेंड. अगर आप उनसे एज अ डांट के बात करोगे तो उस बात का भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. तो आई थिंक ये सारी बातें जो मेरे मन में थी आप लोगों के सामने मैंने रखी. एक बार फिर मैं पैलेस स्कूल को धन्यवाद दूंगी, कंग्रेचुलेट करूंगी आपकी सभी टीचर्स को, स्टाफ को एंड बहुत ही सुंदर प्यारे टैलेंटेड बच्चों को, और मुझे लगता है हमारे बहुत ही जागरूक पेरेंट्स को कि आपका बहुत बड़ा योगदान होता है। और हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है। सारे जो आगे भी 10th में 12th में बहुत अच्छे उनके ग्रेड्स आए हैं, मार्क्स आए हैं, परसेंटेज आया है। आगे वो बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने प्रदेश का नाम और देश का नाम भी रोशन किया अलग अलग फील्ड्स में। तो मैं सबको इसके लिए कंग्रेचुलेट करूँगी, बधाई दूंगी और मैं धन्यवाद दूंगी कि आज आपने मुझे इतना सम्मान दिया। मेरे लिए फाउंडर्स डे आप लोग रखते हैं, बट आई थिंक मैं अकेली फाउंडर नहीं हूँ, आप सब लोग भी फाउंडर्स हैं, क्योंकि हम सब मिलकर ही इस हमारे स्कूल को नंबर 1 बनाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और आगे भी करेंगे। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words that always motivate us to do better and shine brighter. And now, it's time to bring the stage alive once again with the talent of our little stars. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the delightful act.
आफ्टर द scintillating परफॉर्मेंस हम आप सभी पेरेंट्स को प्राइमरी स्कूल में एक बार फिर लेके चलते हैं। सो आर यू रेडी? लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम टू पेरेंट्स इन प्राइमरी, वेयर टुडे द किड्स टेक द बैक सीट and it's the parents who are in the spotlight. As we all know, parenting is no less than a live performance. It's messy, unscripted, and sometimes hilariously chaotic. I'm sure you'd agree with me. In this play, we'll explore the art of parenting, where the intentions are golden, but the execution can sometimes be, let's say, a little creative. You know, some parents are such that they hover so close to their children that they might as well become their personal weather systems. Others push their kids to shine so brightly they forget the sparkle is already within them. And a few are so busy juggling life that their little ones end up wedged somewhere between emails and laundry. But here's the twist. Please remember, parenting isn't about being perfect. It's about finding the balance. It's about raising kids who are confident enough to take on the world, stumble a little, and get up stronger. Remember, the goal isn't to pave the road for them, but to prepare them for the bumps, the detours, and the unknown adventures ahead. As the wise saying goes, children are not things to be molded, but people to be unfolded. So, let's keep the love, dial down the pressure, and give our kids the wings they need to soar. Now get ready to laugh, reflect, and maybe find a little piece of yourself on stage. Presenting Parents in Primary.
Don't you like our names and costume?
Of course they do. It's nostalgic for their generation.
Talking about nostalgia, don't you remember your childhood days?
When you would try to climb a tree and fall down.
When you would play with all your friends in the mud for the entire day? When you made mischiefs and mistakes? When you listened to the stories and incidents narrated by grandpa, grandma, uncles and aunts?
When there were no mobile phones and all the family members sat together and chatted.
Those days were fantastic, right?
They helped you create so many memories and experiences while growing up, right?
Now don't be too flattered, but we think you grew up well. That's why you're so careful about how your children will grow up. Then why is it so that some of us children are missing out on some of the important experiences in life?
Why is it so that some of us children are not allowed to make their own mistakes and learn through them?
You want the best for your children, but so did your parents. Then how come parenting changed so much? And was there really a need? Narad, I think they are a bit confused. Yes, Muni. I think it's better to show them.
Let's do that!
Yes!
Bhaiya, lights off please!
Beta, let's go and play in the park. I'm so excited. Wait, I will also come with you. I will watch you two play and click pictures for my Insta account. Hashtag quality time with kids. Hashtag perfect parents. Mom, Dad, please stop it. I will go and play by myself. By myself? Did he say by myself? Did you just hear that? Of course I did. That's so funny. Hilarious, Beta. Why do you need to go by yourself when we are around? We will take you now. Come, we will all play together. Yes, and today we will not play with Ayan and Arnav. I don't like them. We will play with Rohit and Shashank. I like them a lot more. Oh yes, I like them too. Oh no. Why do you do this? Why do you tell me whom to make friends with? Why can't I pick my own friends? Why do you need to pick your own friends when we are there for you? We will do it for you now. And aren't we your best friends? Oh, please, give me a little break.
Oh, beta, hurry up. You will get late for your chess class. Yes, beta. And if you get late for your chess class, your tennis class will get delayed too. And you know what happens when your tennis class gets delayed? You get late for the singing class. And we don't want that, right?
Mom, Dad, please stop it. It's all getting too much for me.
Too much? Did he say too much? Did you just hear that? Of course I did. That's so funny. Hilarious. Beta, there is nothing like too much. You can do all the things that we want you to do. You are my all-rounder baby, aren't you? Come on, the chess class is about to begin. I know you will checkmate all your opponents today. Yes, and as per the weekly schedule, you will also do meditation today. Oh yes, meditation is super important. Plus, we also have to listen to Mozart. I already made him listen to Mozart for 1 hour yesterday. Wow, good job. So I will make him listen to Beethoven today.
Oh no! Why do you do this? Why I always need to function as per the schedule you set for me? Why can't I just do nothing for some time?
Baby, we have given you time for doing nothing on every fourth Sunday of the month. Don't you remember? Absolutely! For 1 full hour. From 10 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Oh, please! Give me a little break!
Beta, don't go to the park. It's evening. Kids run very fast over there. It's so unsafe.
Yes, Beta. Those kids can also ask you to play with them. And if you play with them, you might run very fast too.
Oh no! If she runs too fast, then she can fall down. What if she falls down? What if she gets hurt? Oh, I can't even imagine.
No. Don't go to the park only, Beta. Do be on the safer side. Mom, Dad, please stop it. It's all getting too much for me.
Oh, did you say too much? Are you irritated with us? Did you hear that?
Of course. Our kid is so annoyed with us. Oh, it's our fault.
Oh, that's terrible, Beta. Please understand. We just want to protect you.
Yes, Beta. Okay. If you wish to go to park, go. But only sit on the bench. Don't play with those kids who run around too fast, okay? I will also go with her. I will clean the bench with sanitizer before she sits. It might be dirty and have germs. Also take an umbrella and her raincoat in case it might rain. Oh no! Why do you do this? Why I always need to be so protected? Why can't you two just relax a little sometime? Beta, how can we relax when we have to take care of you? We love you, Beta, more than anything in the world. Absolutely. We can't take any risk or make any mistakes. Oh, please, give me a little break.
Mom, Dad, see, I have made a new paper plane. Well, nobody cares for me in this house. You want more proof? Mom, Dad, I have used my school worksheet to make this paper plane. Is that okay? Actually, I took a sheet from Dad's office bag to make this paper plane. Is that okay? And it's written on this sheet that it's a legal document. What does that even mean? See, I told you. I should better watch TV than this.
Baby, why are you watching TV again? Your screen time is over. Do your homework now. She is always watching TV. She never does her homework on time. It's all your fault. No, it's not my fault. It's your fault. You never make her do her homework.
Mom, Dad, please stop it. It's all getting too much for me.
Too much? Did you say too much? What do you mean by that? Did you just hear that?
Of course, I did. Such big words she is using.
Didi, please come and take her. Make her do her homework.
You never listen to me. You always send me with Didi. You're so unavailable.
Unavailable? Now what does that mean?
Baby, we're always around. We both work from home.
I think she's learning all these fancy words by watching all these YouTube videos.
From now on, we should not allow her to watch YouTube videos.
I already took away her iPad yesterday.
Good job. I will hide the TV remote too. These electronic gadgets are very addictive. Oh no. Why do you do this? You two also use your gadgets all the time. Don't compare yourself with us. We do office work. We don't waste time like you.
Yes, no more screen time for you. Now go and do your homework. Didi, take her.
Oh, please. Give me a little break.
Now you see our point, right?
I'm sure they understand. They're all smart parents.
But I'm sure they all are also wondering what will happen next in the play.
Then it's time to show them some of our magic. They will be surprised to see that.
Wait. Don't spill the beans. Let them see it for themselves.
Mom, Dad, we have a special parent-teacher meet in our school.
A special parent-teacher meet?
What's that all about?
Oh, when is it? What is wrong? Oh, I am so worried.
Did you do anything wrong, beta?
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Nobody knows what it is about.
This kind of special parent-teacher meet is happening for the first time.
It's this Sunday morning and both of you need to be there.
Okay, we will be there.
So, dear parents, as our little parents prepare for their Sunday outing, you also buckle up
For the special,
one of its kind,
parent-teacher meet.
which is in fact
Not a parent-teacher meet.
because this is a day for the parents to enter a primary school classroom.
And learn a thing or two. What is this? Why have they made us to sit in a primary school classroom?
If this is some new class activity, they should have told us in advance and given preparation time.
I am worried. Where is everyone? I hope everything is okay. I'm getting late for work. Where are the teachers?
What is this?
Good morning, students. Good morning. What is this all about? Why are you calling us students?
Ah, such bad manners. You must stand up when you see your teachers.
You are not our teachers and we are not your students.
Yes, tell us, where are your real teachers? Incredible! They haven't yet said good morning properly. Their attention span is so less. Too much screen time has ruined their focus. Okay, students, let's try again. You must stand up and say good morning. Otherwise, there will be a fine of 500 rupees.
Fine? 500 rupees? We don't want to pay 500 rupees. Good. Now, say the whole thing. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, teachers. Finally, now, dear students, this meeting is not about your child's education, but it's about your own education. They always think of such
This must
creative
be
ways
some
to
new
teach the
idea
kids.
by the school.
But why are we a part of it?
Quiet! This is a classroom, not your office where you can gossip.
For not maintaining pin drop silence, you all are fined 500 rupees each.
No, please don't do that, teachers. This is unfair. This is unfair.
Don't shout. Otherwise, we will send you to the principal's office. Finger on your lips. So, dear parents, we have received some feedback on your parenting.
In this classroom, we will share that feedback with you and suggest some tips.
So the first feedback we have is about Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Sharma? Please stand up.
We gather that you're the helicopter parents. You hover around your kid like a helicopter all the time. Is that right?
But we were just trying to spend quality time with our kid. But your kid also needs some me time, like being at his own or playing with his own friends. But we are the best friend of our kid.
No, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. We think you must rethink. You don't have to be the best friends of your kid. Be friendly, but let him have friends of his own age. So your feedback is?
Don't be a baggage. The child can manage.
We understand. Thanks for letting us realize this.
So now, next we have is Mr. and Mrs. Verma. Where are they? Please stand up.
Mr. and Mrs. Verma, we gathered that you try to make your kid a trophy kid. You want him to learn and win at everything.
What is wrong with that? We want to win so that he can be an achiever.
For a personal show off, right?
Excuse me, that's not correct. We don't show off.
Isn't it true that when any guest comes to your house, you ask your kid to play the synthesizer?
Yes, because he plays really well. In fact, you must listen to it sometime.
And you also ask him to sing a song and dance a little?
And yes, don't you force the guest to look at all his trophies?
Oh, now that I think about it, that does sound a little too much.
You might have a point. We might be going a little overboard.
So, Mr. and Mrs. Verma, we think you must rethink. Don't burden your child with unrealistic expectations. Your kids' achievements are not for your social status. So, your feedback is?
Let the kids feel free. They are not a trophy. Yes, we agree. Thank you for making us realize this. Yay! I had done an online course on being a good parent, but this is much better.
Moving on, now we have Mr. and Mrs. Singh.
Mr. and Mrs. Singh, we gather that you are panicky parents. You feel too nervous and too worried about your kid all the time.
You are right.
We are. We even know it ourselves. But, you say it. I can't. Please, you say it. No, I can't. Please. No. Please, you say it.
Relax, relax, relax. We know your issue. You fear that something bad might happen to your kid, and you want only good things to happen to her, right?
Right. That's all we want. In fact, we are even scared to scold our kid even if she does something wrong. Because we don't want her to feel bad and think we are bad parents. But do you think life works that way? Can we only have good experiences in life and skip all the bad ones? Yes, but Mr. and Mrs. Singh, we think you must too. Every kid has to meet bad experiences. It is the cycle of life. Otherwise, how will they face difficult situations once they grow up? So your feedback is? Take it slow. Let your worries go. It's okay if the child feels sad or gets hurt a little. And when that happens, it does not mean you have failed as parents. Thank you for saying that. This was needed. So, on that note, we come to the end of our feedback session. Hey, excuse me, teachers. What about us? We have not been covered. Yes, you haven't shared our feedback.
Oh, we just ignored you. Like you ignore your kid.
Okay, just kidding. Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, actually, you have been absent parents. You never devote time to listen to her. Oh, I think you are right. Also, you never set the right example for your kid. You want the kid to not use screen time, but you are on your screens all the time. You are indeed right. But what to do? We have really long working hours. See, it's not about the duration. Even if you listen to your kid attentively for 1 minute each day, it will make a lot of difference. Thank you for your advice. It's really helpful. We realize we have a long way to go. Oh, that's even more emotional. This feedback session is finally over. Wonderful! That was amazing! Yay! Narayan, 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 Narayan. Who are you? I am Narad. I am Muni. Together we are called Narad Muni. This feedback class was our idea. And we used our magic to make it happen. That was indeed magical. So, for our final words, dear parents, this play was just for fun. We were not trying to teach you anything. It was all in good humor. After all, we are just kids. You are the grown-ups. And we believe you can take better decisions than us. But we also hope you enjoyed today's class and might agree with some of the feedback. Now, time for the final announcement. My dear students, note down today's homework.
Whatever was taught today in class, you all have to revise at home. Okay?
And if any student doesn't do their homework, then 500 rupees fine! Narayan, Narayan.
So, dear parents, I hope you have done the homework we gave you. I can't hear a yes. Great. And are you looking forward to know the result? Okay. So, can we have the parenting quotient on the LED, please? I hope you remember your scores. How was the play?
Super. So if your response is more of always, you need to understand your child by listening attentively. You need to see your child's perspective too. It is important to understand that your child also has an opinion and can think logically. Give your child opportunities to take responsibilities. So all those who score more of always, this is what you need to do. The next one, please. If your response has more of sometimes, at times you may be overlooking your child's needs and desires as you assume you know best. Explaining the reasons behind your decision is necessary. Also pay attention to the way you communicate with your child. Know that it has a very, very deep impact. So, those scoring sometimes, please be mindful about this. And the last, rarely, if your response is more of rarely, you understand your child and make the effort to listen to them and treat them as an individual who take responsibility and make decisions under guidance. So congratulations to all those parents who have scored a rarely, and for those who did not, please do not lose heart. I'm sure after today's event, you're all going to work on it. Thank you so much. It's time for Ratamar. Spot the lesson. A dance of resilience. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a roller coaster ride through student life, where books are heavy, exams are tricky, and every mistake is a hidden lesson. We start with carefree kids who think studying is optional. Life's all fun and games. Until reality knocks. Suddenly, the panic sets in and they're cramming like there's no tomorrow. अपने दिन याद हैं? याद आए ना? Yes, stress is high. But hey, not all stress is bad. This is eustress, the good stress. It's what pushes them to try their best. Then comes the swagger. Armed with overconfidence, they strut into exams like champions and stumble. Oops. But here's the twist. They don't give up. They rise, learn, and realize the biggest success comes from bouncing back. This is more than a dance. It's a life lesson. Every fall is just a step towards standing tall. Let's cheer them on as they remind us all to rise stronger.
मम्मा के सामने पढ़ने की एक्टिंग कर लेता हूँ, फिर खेलने चला जाऊंगा। यस।
ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। सुनिए गाना काम आएगा, बस खाने पीने जीले क्योंकि जिंदगी है शान। अरे रे बबुल फिकर नॉट, अरे रे बबुल फिकर नॉट, अरे रे बबुल फिकर नॉट, अरे रे बबुल फिकर नॉट। जो भी होगा होने दे, होने दे, होने दे, अरे बबुल फिकर नॉट। जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीटी, तब तक मार रट्टा मार।
ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार। रट्टा मार, रट्टा मार।
ले लो, कांदे ले लो। सुबह से ना एक आलू बिका है, ना ही बिका है आधा कांदा।
थैंक गॉड, सपना था।
अभी आपने रट्टा मारने का खतरनाक नतीजा तो देखा ही है। एंड नाउ गेट रेडी फॉर अ परफॉर्मेंस दैट्स अबाउट टू मेक यू थिंक, laugh, and maybe even reflect a little. Our young performers are here to remind us that we are all superheroes. Yes, you heard that right. Every single one of us. But here's the twist. Even superheroes have their moments of weakness. When emotions take over, be it anger, sadness, or fear, our superpowers can fizzle out, turning us from superheroes into, well, super zeros. Yes, you heard that right. This play isn't just about kids. It's a message for everyone, especially parents and caregivers. Why? Because little eyes are always watching and little hearts are always learning. The way we manage our emotions teaches our children how to handle their own. So, let's all remember, balance, resilience, and acceptance of emotions are the real superpowers. Now, sit back, watch carefully, and let this story inspire you to embrace your emotions, manage them with care, and always lead with strength and love. Presenting I Am a Superhero.
Hello! Hey everyone! Hello, you sweet, sweet people of Earth! Do you like superheroes? Of course, they do! Who doesn't like superheroes? In fact, we know so many of them. Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, and our very desi superheroes, Shaktiman and Krish. Yes, but today, brace yourself to meet a team of superheroes who are called... Wow! Avengers? No, it's not Avengers. Then X-Men? No, it's not X-Men. Fantastic Four, Guardian of the Galaxy, Justice League? No, no, and no. Then which new team of superheroes is this? Come on, we all know. It is Fabulous Super Graders!
Hi, I'm Captain Rules. I follow all the rules because rules are tough and like tough things.
Aye, Captain!
Okay, cool.
Hi, I am the Think Tank Girl. Basically, I use my super powerful thoughts to basically do the right thing. So basically, you can call me TTG. Excuse me, do you say basically a lot? Oh yes, basically I do. And who are you?
Hi, I'm Dr. Shah. I have the power of knowledge because I read a lot. Oh, sorry, I need to read this book now.
What about you?
Yo, I am the Do It Man. I love doing things. It's so much fun, bruh.
I
I'm sure my mom would love him. Quiet! Let's ask the others too. What about you?
Hi, I'm Officer Exactly. I like everything right and precise. That is why I get full marks in all my math tests.
Super impressive. And what about you? Hi, I am Soldier Strong. I do not fear anything and anyone in the world. Oh, wow! Can you go in the dark? Can you look under your bed at night?
Can watch horror movies and not get scared?
Yes, yes, and yes. Wow! That's so cool! Hey, superheroes! There has been an accident on the flyover. People need your help. Hurry! Time to rescue! Let's go!
This is the most amazing superhero team we've ever seen.
Yes, it was so nice to meet them. Fabulous super graders. They are tough. They never rest. Fabulous super graders are the best. Yay! Oh, look, they are back.
But hey, why are they sitting so quietly? And why they don't look happy?
You are right. We should ask what is bothering them so much. Hey, fabulous super graders! What happened? Are you not happy about something? Yes, we are unhappy because we, the fabulous super graders, have lost our powers. Oh! I am Captain Rules. These days, I get angry if I see anyone not following rules.
Oh, that can be scary. What about you, TTG?
Basically, nowadays, I get negative thoughts that basically make me very sad. Oh, I said basically again. Now I'll be thinking about that all day.
I think she has a genuine problem. Then what do you think about mine? I am Dr. Shy. I feel lonely because I can't make friends. Because of this, I have even stopped reading books. Oh man, my story is similar too. I am the do-it man. I used to love doing things, bruh.
And then what happened? You can't think of what to do?
No, nothing like that. It's just that I have to do something all the time. I can't stop. And I feel so tired all the time. Ouch, too bad.
Mine is even worse. I'm Officer Exactly. I can't stop thinking too deeply.
I count my exact steps and how many times exactly I blink or take breath.
9,467 breaths till now for today. See? I keep thinking and counting over and over and over and over.
Stop.
You mean you overthink? Yes, you can say that.
Hey, nobody speak out of turn. Follow the rules. Otherwise you will make me angry. Aye, Captain. Okay, cool.
By the way, your last sentence had 4 words. Mine had 5 and his had 6.
I said nobody break the rules. I am angry now.
Hey. Cool down, bro. Otherwise, you will also become sad.
And then nobody will become your friend. I can become your friend if you let me arrange your toys. You all are making me even more irritated. I am super angry now with all of you. But wait, Captain. We have not heard from Soldier Strong. Can we have him speak before you get angry over all of us? Oh, okay, cool.
Your turn, Soldier Strong.
I am Soldier Strong. I used to fear nothing, but a bad incident scares me a lot.
Oh, what happened?
No, I don't want to talk about it.
But we want to know. Tell us, please.
My no means no.
Our superhero team is broken! We have lost all our superpowers. Basically, we are not even friends with each other. We are the fabulous super graders, but we are not able to do anything fabulous. We feel sad and unhappy, bro. We are no longer superheroes. We are heroes. What to do? You all look so sad and weak. I wonder if we can help you all. Hey, what you two are whispering about? I think we have an idea. What is your idea? Tell us fast. Rather than telling, let us take you. Where are you taking us? We are taking you to the jungle of the super happy animals. Basically, it seems they are never sad. As if they have exact zero worries. As if they all are friends with each other. Yo, as if they have nothing else to do than being happy, bro. How come they are so happy? Let's ask them. Hey, animals, how come you're so happy? Don't you have any worries? Don't you have any problems? What is the mantra of your happiness, man?
Hello, dear friends from the city. I am King Elephant, the king of the jungle.
Wasn't the lion the king of the jungle? Where is the lion? Here I am. Hi, city friends. I am the lion. And yes, I was the king of the jungle. Then what happened? I took a break just to chill and made my friend Giraffe the king of the jungle.
Hey, I am Giraffe. After some time, I took a break too and made the fox the king of the jungle.
Hi, I am the fox. I made Rhino the king of the jungle.
Hi, I am Rhino.
Okay. So you get the drift? We have a rotational system. Everybody among us has been the king of the jungle. That's so nice. That means you all share the responsibility. We see that you see things differently in this jungle. Does that mean you animals never get sad? Does that mean you don't face any problems in this jungle? No, it's nothing like that. We have our many problems and get sad too. Then, how do you deal with all of it?
We follow a secret mantra that the goddess of our jungle told us many years ago.
What is that secret mantra? Please share with us. If you wish to know, you all will have to repeat after us. Okay? Yes, we will. Please tell us.
Okay, animals. Be ready. Let's say your happiness mantra. Please repeat after us.
No one and nobody can be happy all the time.
No one and nobody can be happy all the time.
It's okay and alright feeling bad sometimes.
It's okay and alright feeling bad sometimes.
If you trust the process, just take your time.
If you trust the process, just take your time.
Don't think too much, sing, dance and exercise.
Don't think too much, sing, dance and exercise.
All kinds of situations get better and fine.
All kinds of situations get better and fine.
'Cause everything in life
which thinks I will not get angry all the time?
Yes, count till 10 in your head. Whenever you feel angry, your mood will get better with time.
So you are saying basically we need to not think too much. And I don't need to know the exact number of everything. And I don't need to keep doing things all the time, bro.
Of course not. Sometimes it's okay to sit idle and get bored too.
And when you get bored, you can sing, dance, and exercise.
So will I also make new friends in a matter of time?
Of course you will. Just say hi to a lot of people.
You will easily find friends who like things that you like.
Like reading books? Yes, like reading books.
Hey, I am the monkey and I like reading books. Oh, nice.
Say hi. Go on.
Hi. Hi.
I am Dr. Shai. Can you be my friend?
Yes, Dr. Shai. I can be a friend.
Yay!
But what about me? I'm scared of something that happened and I don't like to talk about it.
Oh, then you must talk about it.
But I think something might happen if I talk about it.
Hey, so they are basically saying that you don't think too much and you will not get scared, right, guys?
Yes, you are right. Basically, ha 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 ha.
Come on, share it with us. So this one time I was riding my bicycle and then I fell and hurt my knee.
Oh, we are so sorry. Is your knee okay now?
Yes, but now I don't ride my bicycle because I fear that I will fall again.
That's a classic.
What do you mean?
He means that it has happened to all of us.
Then what did you do?
We fell, we got up and again rode the bicycle because falling from the cycle is just part of the process and
We trust the process.
that makes sense. Wow, I'm feeling so much better after reciting the secret mantra and talking to all you animals.
Yes, right. Same with me.
Yes, and me. I am also feeling that my power is back.
Wait, you mean your superpowers are back for all of you?
Yes, our superpowers are indeed back. But how can that be? How can the superpowers come back so quickly? After chanting just one secret mantra. Maybe the mantra is a super powerful secret mantra.
Yes, it's a super secret mantra.
Ho 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 ho. It's nothing like that. Our secret mantra is open for all to use.
But there is another super special secret because of which you have got your superpowers back.
A super special secret? What is that?
Animals, shall I tell them?
Yes, King Elephant, go ahead.
What happened? Why are all the animals giggling?
They are giggling because this is not the first time a secret mantra has helped a team of superheroes.
Wow! You have helped other superheroes too? Which ones?
Avengers,
X-Men,
Fantastic Four,
Guardian of the Galaxy,
Justice League,
And even the men in blue.
Men in blue? You mean?
Yes, the men's Indian cricket team. They came to our jungle.
Wow! When was that?
in 2023 after they lost the 50 overs Men's World Cup. And due to a secret mantra, they won the 2020 Men's World Cup in 2024.
Wow! That's so great! But what is that super special secret you were talking about?
That super special secret will be revealed by our cutest animal, the rabbit.
You superheroes never lost your superpowers in the first place. All your superpowers were always with you.
What do you mean? We don't understand.
Yes. Your superpowers were always with you, but you were not using them correctly. Why?
Because you were not thinking the right way.
Remember, your superpowers also need the power of a strong mind.
Yes, even the reverse is also true. Anybody who has a strong mind can be a superhero. That makes so much sense. Thank you, King Elephant, for helping our superhero friends.
You are welcome. But I am no longer the King Elephant. I am also taking a break. From now on, the owl will be the king of the jungle.
Yay! All hail the new king! And friends, always remember the secret mantra. And dearest parents, always remember, anybody who has a strong mind can be a superhero.
Life hai badi mazedar. It's time to wind up with our very own fourth graders. They are here with the grand finale that celebrates life, dreams, and a whole lot of fun. We begin with Aha Tamatar Bade Mazedar, a reminder of those carefree childhood days when the biggest worry was spilling juice on your favorite t-shirt. Then comes Sapne Re, diving into the roller coaster of teenage dreams and dramas, where tension and ambition dance hand in hand. We have Sar Jo Tera Chakaraye, Jo Tel Malish Hoti Hai Champi. That is there for you to ease the stress. And finally, we bring to you जो हम सबका दिल चाहता है कि कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हमें तो है बस मस्ती में नाचना और गाना. So, dear parents, when we tell you, please get on your feet to join your kids as they do a jig to make this finale unforgettable with dancing, dreaming, and living it up together. Remember, you have to get up when you get your cue, but do not leave your seats. So, let's hear it for our dazzling fourth graders.
टकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए काहे घबराए। सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए काहे घबराए।
हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे, कितना भी हमको दीवाना। हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना। जब सांस है आवाज है, फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना। जब सांस है आवाज है, फिर किस लिए गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना। बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, लड़े दुनिया लड़ने भी दो। हम अपनी खुद पे गाओ, दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो, बंधन टूटे टूटने दो, कोई छूटे छूटने दो। ना घबराओ, हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना। क्यों हो पुराना, हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना। हाँ हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना।
Dear parents, we request you to kindly stand at your seats and join the children by copying the steps that they are doing. We request you to stand at your seats and copy the steps that they are doing. It would be a great fun to watch you join the fun. Lovely. More energy. Keep the spirits high.
क्यों हो पुराना, हम हैं नए,
Fantastic move. Keep going. Thank you so much, dear parents. We request you to be kindly seated. Thank you so much once again for being so supportive. Thank you.
Wow, that was truly a spectacular end to a beautiful day. I now call upon Shamakaran Pandey to propose vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Palace School, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks for today's spectacular event, Wellness Wonderland, which celebrated the theme of mental health and awareness with such grace and creativity. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Diya Kumari ji, Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, for honoring us with her presence today. Your inspiring words on mental health being have left a lasting impression on us all, and we are truly grateful for your support and encouragement. I would also like to express my deep appreciation to our principal, Miss Urvashi Vorman, whose guidance and vision were instrumental in making this event a grand success. Your dedication and leadership inspire us every day. Dear ma'am, a special thanks to the director of the show, Mr. Arus Sethi, and his team for conceptualizing such a relevant and meaningful theme that beautifully highlighted the importance of mindfulness and resilience in life. For guiding us as a mentor, shaping performers, your commitment to excellence has brought out the best in every actor. Your ability to seamlessly manage the drama, training, coordination, and countless other responsibilities reflect your passion and tirelessly devotion to your craft. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the Buskers team, especially Prem sir and Akshay sir, for their exceptional choreography and creativity. Your hard work brought life to the performances and made the event truly mesmerizing. A big thank you to our administrator, Mr. Janak Singh Gehlot, and his team for their seamless coordination and behind the scenes efforts that assured everything ran smoothly.
To the teachers who work tirelessly to bring out the best in our students, your passion and creativity were evident in every performance today. Thank you for nurturing our young learners and helping them shine on this stage. I am equally grateful to the support staff whose invaluable efforts ensured the comfort and safety of everyone present. Finally, a heartfelt thanks to the parents whose constant support and encouragement motivate us to create such wonderful experiences for our students. Your presence here today means the world to us and your children. Thank you all once again for making Wellness Wonderland a memorable celebration.
I request everyone to stand straight for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana